Mangwabe had a conversation with her son. Her son was cleaning a swimming pool at that house in Durban. Mangwabe tells his son that this is not your home. Spiwe, you feel not comfortable by the words his mother is telling. You know that Mangwabe have to know the words she is telling her kids, because sometimes other words are not good. You know that you are telling your child that this is not your home, but you are staying at that house, you are staying with your husband and your kids. So you want Mawande and Zinande to feel comfortable because it's their home. What about Spiwe? You know that Mangwabe is the one who is separating her kids, because sometimes if that child is not Musamseleku's child, but don't make him to feel like it's not his home. Spiwe wake up in the morning, he was cleaning, guys. That child, I love that child. Spiwe is a good child. You know that, guys, that child was cleaning a swimming pool. And Mangwabe tells Spiwe that this is not your home. Even Musamseleku doesn't want Spiwe. It's not good Mangwabe she is influencing her son. Because Spiwe, guys, it's very difficult. Your child wake up cleaning the house, sweeping, and without telling the child. Why Spiwe was cleaning the swimming pool? Because he knows that this is his home. So he have to clean that swimming pool. He have to clean that house. You understand it? And Mangwabe is telling Spiwe that you know that Mangwabe is the one who want to make Spiwe not comfortable. And you saw when Mangwabe she is keeping saying those words to that child, you see Spiwe not came back, or Spiwe says I can find my place to stay. You understand? Because Mangwabe is the only person that maybe Mangwabe wants Spiwe to see Musamseleku doesn't want him, or Musamseleku is a bad person. Guys, Musamseleku and Spiwe, they have got a good relationship. We saw it even Musamseleku at Musamseleku's birthday on Utando Nestembo season 8. Musamseleku welcomes Spiwe. Guys, you know that Musamseleku's kids welcome Spiwe like Spiwe is like their own siblings. That child feeling comfortable at Musamseleku's birthday. Why Musamseleku was too close to Spiwe, Mangwabe's child was not close to Mpumelelo or Awongwe, because Musamseleku wants Spiwe to feel at home, wants Spiwe to feel like it's his father. Musamseleku attend Spiwe's graduation with Mangwabe. You understand? It shows respect. Mangwabe, guys, sometimes she is not okay in her mind. Even people, you can insult me in comment section. That woman is not okay. You are telling a child, Musamseleku buy that house for Mangwabe and their kids. You understand? Mangwabe introduce her child, and even Musamseleku at the first time, Musamseleku doesn't want Mangwabe's child. But Musamseleku didn't complain about the Spiwe he is staying, because Musamseleku saw Spiwe now is like his son. You understand? Spiwe, guys, I love that child. He is a very free spirit. Even Mangwabe can influence that child, but Spiwe can't take it serious. You know that Spiwe loves Musamseleku because Spiwe, what I saw, he believed in things when he saw things. And he is a man. He can understand Musamseleku's language. You understand? Musamseleku doesn't say he doesn't want Spiwe at all at his house. You understand? So Mangwabe, the way she is influencing her son and say this is not your home. Where is Spiwe's home? Because Mangwabe didn't buy even one house for that child. You know that Mangwabe, what I saw, when she thinks about herself only. Mangwabe doesn't think about anyone happiness. Even the words she is keeping in her mouth. You are telling your child, even it's not his father. You are telling your child that this is not your home. But you have got another kids. It means that it's Mawande and Zinande's home. It's not Spiwe's home. It's not good. It's not good at all. Mangwabe, the way she is influencing that boy. is not good at all. Because you want that boy to feel like he is a stranger at her mother's house. It's his mother's house. It's Mangwabe's house. You understand it? But, guys, it's not good. It's not good at all. Even Mangwabe, she can pass away. Musamseleku can't chase people away. We don't want to lie. But the way Mangwabe, she is influencing her son is not good.